Good morning, students. So today we are going to start revision in social studies, and you know that from lesson 12 is your third term portion. Okay, so you have to. This lesson is very lengthy. So many topics are given here. So you have to prepare each and every topic for your third term examination. And if I will discuss each and every topic, whatever is given in lesson number 12, then it will take a long time, means it will take 1 week. So I already, already I have uploaded this video, and you have, so many of you have watched that video and you have done your work. So in this revision video, I will just, in a short I will discuss all the topics, and you have to prepare each and every topic whatever is given here in lesson number 12. Okay, so here this is 12 lesson, and the name of this lesson is national leaders. Okay, like here is Mahatma Gandhi, then Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and the last is Sarojini Naidu. So these all topics, the all leaders name given here. So this all you have to prepare. Okay, what you have to do, once you will read this lesson. Okay, and just find out the important topic. Question answers are given here in this lesson. Question answer, fill in the blanks, true, false. Okay, everything is given here. You will prepare that portion also, and once you will read this again, all the paragraphs again, because there are so many things you have to prepare. Like see, here is the Satyagraha, Swadeshi. Okay, here the title of the father of nation. To whom we say to father of nation means Mahatma Gandhi. He got the title the father of nation, and he also called Bapu. So that type of things you have to prepare. Some important notes are given under this paragraph, so you have to prepare this all. Okay, like you just see here in Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Tilak was co-founder of the newspaper Kesari and Maratha, and here see, Tilak believed in Swaraj, that is self-rule. He is known for his slogan. What is his slogan? Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Okay, so whatever is the slogan given by the leaders and what movements they launched. Okay, so this all you have to prepare. This is not given here in the question answer. Okay, but you have to prepare from here in the lesson, inside the lesson. So whatever topics are given here, you have to read it again, and you have just find out the important things. Okay, like the slogan, what slogan they made, and what the movements they launched. Okay, so everything, their date of birth, and when the date when they died. So everything you have to prepare inside this lesson. Okay, and then after you have to prepare this, take the correct option, answers the following questions, and fill in the blanks. Okay, then here is true and false, match the column. So everything whatever is given in the exercise portion you have to prepare, and with this you have to read the lesson again and just find out the important things by yourself. Okay, because teachers, they already uploaded the video. When they explained the lesson, they uploaded. So now it's your duty how to revise. Okay, so ऐसे करके आप इन चीज़ों को फिर से रिवाइज करेंगे. यू जस्ट प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग, वट एवर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स गिवन हियर इन द एक्सरसाइज पोर्शन, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, एंड विद दिस यू हैव टू रीड दिस lesson also. Okay, so start here. Today you just prepare the lesson number 14, and next day I'll give you the question answer. Okay, and you will just do the question answer of the lesson and send me the attachment. Okay, every day I will do like that. I will just tell you which lesson you have to prepare in a one day before, and next day you will, after preparing, I will send the question. I will send the question answer. Then after next day you will send me the answers of the क्वेश्चन. ओके, लाइक दैट यू विल प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग. एंड इस तरीके से आपका सब कुछ तैयार होता रहेगा. एंड आई विल गिव द क्वेश्चन आंसर हियर फ्रॉम द लेसन ऑल्सो. क्योंकि बिकॉज दैट्स वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर this all. Okay na, in every question from lesson 12 to lesson 17 is coming in your third term portion. You know what is the portion of third term? From here, lesson number 12 national leader, 13 national symbols, 14 festivals and community celebration, 15 the solar system and the earth, 16 knowing our earth, 17 clean and green environment. So this from lesson 12 to lesson 17 is a third term portion and you have to prepare it very well. Okay, so today you prepare lesson number 12 national leader and I will send the question answer. After completing the question answer, you will send all of your students, you will send me the attachment. Okay, so by the way, that way I can understand then how many you have prepared and how many you have not. Understood? So start preparation of lesson number 12 national leaders. Okay.